Said you wanna do it now with who? Hi everyone, good morning. It's actually 12 p.m. here and it's so cold. Ate Gigi's kind of used to it, no? Used to it ka na dito, Ate Gigi. Actually, dapat magtapad minihana.
But,
Mura siyang speaker, day.
mura siya kanang
Mura siyang ano,
Cruising kinitude na.
hindi, kakalyong.
Cruising kinitude kasi. Wala ka na.
Mura siyang kakalyong The hell? I'm gonna take my glasses on, so wait.
So you can read.
I'll take over.
Say hi to them, Ate.
Hello po.
Salamat sa mga nagpunta at sa mga hindi pa nakapunta. Magpunta na. Eme.
It's so cold. I can't read as well. I need my glasses.
Kagising lang. Ano? Hello! Pumunta naman kayo sa next show ko dito sa Australia. May gustong chumoy. Ganun ba yun?
This is Ate Gigi. Sino gustong jumoin? Sasampalin ko. Rufa! Go, go, go. Just. Good morning. Si Gigi po yun, may accent talaga siya. Yung accent kay accident. Charis. Okay! Ano sabi ni Ate Gigi? I watched VFF concert. Yeah! How was it? Was it good? Of course it was, no? Actually, it's raining here. Pero hindi masyadong, malakas. Pa-sweet lang yung rain, pero sobrang lamig. So good. Sino mga nanood kagabi? You guys were amazing. Daming tao kagabi. Where you at, Key? I'm actually in... I don't know where this is, but... Sa bahay nila Gigi. Andito kami somewhere sa suburbs. Please Perform Nako by Miss Roman. Come on. I'll try. What type of song is it? Is it slow one or... Pasabog ba siya? Zimba yarn. Actually si Zimba to. See you in Jensen. I have, meron akong show sa... Show is Antidote and then Jensen. Meron din akong Cotabato. Meron ba? I don't know. Oh my god, I don't know. I don't know things. No, do I? Natry ka na ng... No, I haven't tried that. Mukha kang Heron. Really? Taray, di ba? May accent. Meron ako accent. Ang cold, sobrang lamig dito. Like, ay, hindi pa naman ako masyadong mahilig sa malalamig na places. So, in Bisaya, we say kandingon. Ayaw maligo, ayaw. Pero naligo ako, may hot shower naman dito. Yes, Bisaya ko, ano man. Basta lang. Amiga, di tamiga, ano man. Basta lang, my name is Sharon Cuneta. Accent with a K. Baka pag uwi ko dyan, hindi na kayo magkaintindihan ni BFF. True. Please say mahal ko kayo. You guys, I don't know how to talk in Tagalog. Konti lang po at tinuruan po ko ng tita ko mag-Tagalog konti. Was that fine? Mahal ko kayo. Guys, actually, dapat magkatabi kami ni Hannah. Hannah and I were supposed to be sleeping beside together. But unfortunately, Hannah is so loud. And I can't. I can't with a K. So, nandito na ako sa sala natulog. Maganda naman yung sala. Feels like home. Social sila Gigi dito. And then yung partner ni Gigi is a chef. Like, dami nagsabi na mahit daw ko dito kasi walang rice dun sa Sydney. So, parang 3 days ako walang rice. 4 days akong walang rice. Puro lang ako burger. May calories naman, pero like, my mind is telling me no, but my body was telling me yes. Yeah, Chef John. Hi, Ate Ange. Ang sarap ng pagluto. Guys, pagdating namin dito sa Melbourne, when we got here to Melbourne, we ate rice. There was a lot of rice and ribs. Baby back ribs, tapos merong adobo, Australian style adobo. And then parang merong salad. Tapos may lechon kawali. How was your day in Australia? Yes, it's good, it's fine. Hi Ivory, can you please join my live, sister? Nag-change language na ako, yes. Alam nyo ba, like, actually hindi. Kasi nung nasa ano ako nasa Sydney ako, grabe sila magsalita. Tuloy-tuloy, everyone. Ang ginagawa ko na lang, naglalag ako. I don't know, galag akong head. So, pag nag-i-English sila, kaya ko naman, pero sumasakit yung ulo ko kasi itinatranslate ko pa sa utak ko eh. Ito ba yung sister? Hello, yeah. I always talk to my sister like this. So, we converse. When will you visit Philippines? Huy! Uwi na talaga ako. Mixana loves Mixie. Hey, papansin? I'm tidying my house. Girl, as you should. You're not still done tidying? What were you doing this whole time, girl? Anong oras na ba dyan? Is it 9 a.m.? No? It's 9 a.m.? I made it messy again. Why? 9 a.m. Come to Brazil. Yeah, definitely. I will. Soon. You love my hair, really? May binili kaming hair product dito na pang-define ng curls, but masyado siyang basa. Tignan, like, para akong galing ng night swimming. I'm from New Zealand. Hello, New Zealand. How is it there? How's it going there? Do you speak Tagalog? No, I don't. FB na ako. Oh my God, hindi pa pala ako connected sa Wi-Fi dito all this time. Ate G! Anong Wi-Fi nyo?
Ano man?
Ayan ha.
I was gonna give it to you. All you need to do is ask.
Oh my God, all this time, ate. I'll be right back. Wait, hold on. Okay na?
Ingat sila i-follow ni GK para kuon
So, I'm gonna promote House of Erica Tour. Please follow my sister's account.
Kasi parang may tinutulungan ako mga community sa Davao.
Yeah. This is a fashion couture house / charity / drag queen / Bisaya /
Correct.
businesswoman. It's
Sino po marunong kumanta ng week dyan?
No?
Week. Mag-video okay na tayo. Kanta sa tag-week, B.
I get so weak in my knees, I can hardly speak, I lose all control. And something takes... Asa ka? Magluto ka?
Ha?
Magluto ka?
Mag-ipon akong karaoke sa tabi.
Okay. Magkaraoke ta? Oh my God, girl! Aussie boys are fucking trash. Just kidding. Di ko kabasa og reverse psychology. Huh? I'm gonna smoke. Is it fine, you guys? Pero yung yosi nila dito, wala daw masyadong wala masyadong Same lang yan. Mamamatay ka din. Anyway. Yeah, Pinoy boys pa rin. Maxi pa rin. Shay Shweki pa rin. La! Parang taka, dalawa yun. Ilan nyo? Which one? Which one? Yes. I miss them both. No. No, but seriously, truly, I miss you all guys there. Actually, si Kevin, pumunta siya sa outing ng family ko. Because my family, oh wait. Sino yun dun sa taas? Akala ko nanonood si John. Kasi, lamig. Nag-out yung tita ko na nasa Japan. I don't know if it's... Yeah. Nasa Japan, umuwi to do some stuff. And then, si Kevin lang nandoon. Is usually kasi, pag umuwi yung mom ng tita ko, umaalis kami lahat. Like, nag-swimming, nag-bonding. So, ayun, si Kevin lang yung nandoon sa kanila. So, ako nandito. So, kind of FOMO, though. FOMO, malala. Kaya nauwi na. Oo nga eh, I miss the humidity of the Philippines. Because here, even though there's the sun, it's still malamig. If that makes sense, you know. Yes, representative si Kevin. Hi, please visit the Philippines. I will. I'll try to. How is it there? Like, is it hot? Because my skin could not handle... Oh my God! Why is there no filter? Ayan. Tanggalin natin. Gusto niyo makita si Chef? Chef is getting ready, you know? They're such a cutie. Oh my God. When I grow up, I want to be like Gigi. You know what? I don't want to be Gigi Era when I grow up. She scared the shit out of me. Okay. Sakita ato, oy. Oh my God, my heart. Ouch. Ouchie. Ouchie. What is your accent, darling? It's, I actually made it up, so. Good morning, babes. Ayan, yung iba natulog na. Ina nyo, matulog na kayo, bahala kayo dyan. My hair color, it's brown. Si Bella nag-color na to. Dating-dati pa to. Saging ganito na siya. Hindi na siya na-retouch ever. Said, you wanna do it now with who? I don't need a pin drop or text tonight. I ain't even coming out with you. You don't wanna show me off to your ex or your friends tonight. You must be on Molly, cause y'all ain't kicking over the side it up. Ano size mo sa Nike shoes? My shoe size is 11 or 12. Yeah. 11 or 12. My feet is big. Shout out Mima, shout out. Oh no, you know what? I'm gonna go live to TikTok. Papansin Squad in Australia, yes! Oh, I got Invasion! Hi! I met them last night and they were so nice. Hi! Invasion Production. You know what? Press 1 kung go. Look at the link. Pasabog yun. Zimba Dabing. The fearless, the ferocious. The stage presence. The visual. The skin color. The hair, the culture. The passion. Angel. The beauty. The face. The body. Seductive, my seductive daughter. Mimi, my seductive daughter. And Kiana. No, just Kiana. Okay, oh, ang dami nag-press 1. Ang dami nag-press 1, tingnan mo. Okay. Perfect, now we know that you want it, so let's talk about that later. Passion noted 17, seeing all your creative makeup posts. Oh my god! I remember back in 2017, 2018, seeing all your creative makeup posts. It's amazing to see how far you've come since then. I'm so proud of you, Kiana. Come visit Brisbane. Where is it? Is it here, Langs, Australia? Or is it another country? No? Yeah? Yes, actually, guys, totoo ba? Naiyak ako kasi may mga tao pa lang nandito na sa 2017 pa lang tinitingnan nila, pinapanood na nila ako. So, that makes my heart melt, you guys. Really, truly. Pasabog yung Kiana na yan dati. I mean, si Ryan the G. Kasi magme-makeup siya ng 12 noon, matatapos siya ng 3 p.m., tapos lalabas siya. Tapos, magpa-photoshoot ako, maggagawa ko ng content. Ganun ako ka-bored. Ano yun, summer? Always summer. Tapos pupunta ako ng palengke, or like, pag may makeup na ako, sabihin ng tita ko, sama mo nga ako mamamalengke tayo. So, pupunta ako ng palengke dahil na naka-makeup. Minsan pa nga, like, may dugo-dugo na makeup. Papansin. Nakakainis. So, for example, nag-makeup ako, tapos iayain ako ng mga friends ko sa Cavite na, Uy, Ken, labas tayo. Wait lang, nag-makeup ako. Sabihin ko, wait lang, bubura lang ako. Tapos sabihin nila, huwag mo nang burahin. Go lang din ako. How about dito sa US? Bagay ka mag-perform dito sa Las Vegas. Guys, you know what? Tweet about me and say that Kiana should perform in like the Work the World. No. Actually, dream ko yan. Gusto kong maka-perform sa Work the World like Marina did. And yeah. Simple things in life, you know? Kiana in Vegas, oh my god. Mapa-B-day greet naman ako. B-day ko bukas. Okay, what's your name? Hi, Jay Villa Corta. With a K, happy birthday sa'yo. Corta. Come to Brazil, my love. Yes, I will. A lot of people are DMing me that they want me to go to Brazil. So I will. PH Friday comes the tide. Red, blue sun, get ready for the ride. Stamp, face, the body, and waist. Can clock me now, cause I bet you wanna taste. LTW on the way. Yes, need that bitch. Keanu with a K. K for crazy, fresh from SG, embedded to the top. I don't know you wanna top me. Cause it's my time, my time. Dito basta bingo, bingo. Oh my God, the Sana runner-up show with Venus Deluxe. That's iconic. Marina Summers, Arizona Brandy, Keanu with a K, Venus Deluxe, and one whole show. What will that be? Just kidding. Yeah, sa market sa 8. Arizona banding, you guys. Kaya what if mag-verified badge ka? Kaya ngayon, tagal nga eh. I don't know what happened. Para tuloy akong char-char lang dito. Drag Race, ano na? Wala pa akong check. Wala pa akong verification badge. I don't know. Inaano ko naman na sila. In-update. Dapat nung season 3 pa yan. Anong ganap and food? I don't know. Chef is cooking something. And we're about to do karaoke today. We're gonna go inside. Let's go inside. So, that's that. Dito ako natulog, guys. I slept here. It's so cozy. And TV. This is our dining. Chef, what are you cooking for us today? Caldereta. Okay lang ba nasali kita sa live? I'm with Chef, you guys. Chef John. He's cooking caldereta. And I'm just, serving.
Still serving.
Y'all guys can't handle this. Y'all guys can handle me. Actually, Chef is also a photographer. Do you want to see his... Meron siyang dito room na... He also... What do you call it, Chef? No, yung pag ano? Ang tawag doon?
Developing.
Yeah, siya mismo nag-develop ng photos. This is the room. Look. Andito yung mga photos. He also developed it, and these are the final when we were getting ready. Look, Hanabeshi Pak. Parang madrasta. That's me. And also me without the makeup. Diba? Mukhang alien. Papatubuin ko na yung mga ko. Look. Gigi Era. And I don't know who she is, but she's pretty. Yung mom ata nila, and dad. Puntahan natin si Hana. Gising na si Hana?
She's already packing, girl.
Why?
I'm gonna pack my lashes, Monica.
Bakla ko ka because I'm safe. I'm koan.
I'm safe. I'm safe. Please save me.
Stop choking. I'm just like, I'm grabbing more space for Gigi Era's clothes. In my
Oh! Okay.
Wait, thank you sa mga gifts niyo, guys.
Yeah, actually, we received a lot of gifts here in Australia, Sydney, too, in Melbourne. So,
Ang hirap mabuhay sa ibang bansa kasi nabibis mo ng pamilya mo. Tapos, ang pamilya mo, ang dami nilang hinihingi sa'yo. Ikaw, okay na, ipakin pa ko gumot. Naghihirap kami dito. Tinitiis namin ang lahat ng hirap at pasakit ng mga amo namin. Hindi ako pinapakain, pinapatulog ako sa kubeta. Ayoko na. Ginagawa ko na para sa inyo.
Guys,
Nandito na po amo namin.
listen niya yan.
Yes po.
Minda,
ate.
nag-watch ka na naman ng Liga.
Guys, meron siyang imaginary friend dito si GGM.
Like, every time daw na silang dalawa lang ng husband niya is, nag-i-imagine sila na may kasambahay daw sila. Kahit silang dalawa lang.
Si Minda. Si Minda ang aking, angel. Guys, mag-crosswant muna tayo, ha? Because the caldereta is kuanin pa. Nag-request ka ni ko join sa imong live. Wala ka nagpa-join.
Nala mo ka diri po? What the fuck?
Magkuhan ka dahil pag mag-crosswant na kayo, manganta na po tagpuan ka, no? I get so...
Wala na ako team song sa Melbourne. Week.
Di ikaw. Ang chuya lang.
Nakatanan.
Ano ko na the towel should be hanging. Kung ako again...
Gusto mong ihang kita?
Guys, sobrang motherly ni Jera, guys.
Yeah.
Pagalitan niya tayo pag
Actually, I woke up because nilagyan niya ako ng
Kung hindi lang ko alam, pinapasuan po kami ni
Jera.
Nilulublob po kami sa
Tubig. Tapos pinapatulog niya ako sa labas. Ang lamig sa labas.
Ano pa lang plano niyo? Gusto niyo ba magdala pa yung pag-towel dahil?
Pero kanina, hindi na ako siya magamit because gamit sa beach.
So, na siya
Picnic ba? Parat kayo.
No, but why did you bring towel in the first place?
Wala lang ako kasi...
Huwag mo ako in English.
Hindi mo pa ulam.
It's English, it's Australian here.
Okay.
So,
It's because like, trying fun. Baka delete mo yung para manong towel. Hindi na ako, extra nipis ako.
what do you guys want? Because I feel like I still have...
Alam mo, nag-comment season 1, season 2, season 3 pala kayo dyan. Yes. Season 1 Bisaya, Gigi Era. Season 2 Bisaya.
Or season 1 Chanak, season 2 Chanak.
Season 3 Gorgeous.
Hello. Kapag kayo. Takadal.
Hoy!
Inasa ba mga siguro alas 3 pwede na tayo
Malakaw ka.
Hmm.
Oh.
Asa mo mula ka? Dili ako sa balay maghinlo ko. Sung gabi.
Magino ako daan ka.
Kung hindi lagi, we have at least 2 hours to do that. Ay, karaoke na.
Karaoke! Karaoke sa...
Yo, inagyan mo para. Hi guys.
Ba't may lipstick ko pa?
Hindi siya matanggal yung red. The fake. Parang baga ka mo pag nag-video, oh. Mura ko parang talking ka.
Uy! Gapaw, tra kayo mo. Alinaw niya na, magdungan na ta.
Dali, best. Ito yung kayo.
Magway! Wala pa. Nag-karaoke na naman. Wait lang, ganun tayo. Always maybe this time na lang, sir.
Ako sa...
Okay, tarong pa magkakon. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, can we please turn on the volume, please? Hello? The mic? Hello, mic test. Mic test. Mic test. Hello, mic test.
Pag nila sa hana para...
Apa? Putol siya. I think, malayo ng ano.
Two old friends.
Meet again. Living all the faces. Talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts fell apart. Love.
Hello.
Hello. Heaven knew more
Reminiscent, maybe this time it will love and defy. That's why.
more than just me. She's back in his life, and it feels so right, baby. This time, love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that I had then. They were too young to know what love is. But somehow things never change. And even time has a colder place. So we need a brighter place before. I got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll love and defy. Baby, now they can be more than just this. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Smile like she used to way back then. She feels like she used to way back then to try. Waiting for this magic moment.
Ay, kita.
And it feels so right, maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end. Ayan!
Kabahan na kayo, Regine.
This is Arizona Bonding here in Australia.
Hello, welcome po sa ating live show at Singing V. Yes po, ang theme po namin ngayon ay malamig sa tenga, masakit sa ulo. Yes, correct po kayo dyan.
Malamig sa tenga, masakit sa ulo. Ano nag-ito? Nga nag-ito tayo, magputol-putol siya.
There's something.
Hindi ko ang ganyan lang ito. Mag-start lang.
Ang start lang. Wala, ang tubig sa akin, dili ko ani.
Iba niya.
Regine, day mo? Regine ka? One day ka lang.
Weak. Sige, weak, wala. Weak hell.
Oh my goodness.
Hello po, welcome po sa aking live cover session.
Cover speech.
I'm with Gigi Delano.
Gigi Delano dahil namilok. I don't know what it is that you done to me. But it's caused me to act in such a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you're doing, it's a feeling that I don't understand. 'Cause my heart starts beating triple times with thoughts of loving me on my mind.
Hold on, best. Hold on first. Sorry. It's your song kasi it's not my song.
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak, I lose all control. And something is on me in the days you feel amazing, it's not pain. I want you to stay with me by my side, I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, knocks me right off my feet. Yes,
Really?
time after time, I try to fight it. But your love is so strong, it keeps on holding on. Resistance down when you're around and starts to fade. And I can just don't alone. Guess my heart starts beating triple times
Because of loving you on my mind.
your actions I want to do is you. I get so weak, my knees, I can hardly speak, I lose all control. It takes so of me, and the days are so amazing. Yo, I swallow my pride, your love is so sweet, knocks me right off my feet. I can't explain why your love, it makes me weak.
Ay, Barbie daw ang two voice.
Sige.
Okay, so tonight we're gonna be singing Barbie, two voices, one song.
Sige.
Karaoke. So, if you know this song,
So rare to find a friend like you. Somehow when you're around, the sky is always blue. The way we talk, the things you say, the way you make it all okay, and how you know all of my jokes, but you laugh anyway. If I could wish for one thing, I'd take a smile that you bring. Wherever you go in this world, I come along. Together we dream the same dream. Forever I'm here for you, you're here for me. Oh, 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 two voices, one song.
you don't get it?
Okay. And any path we take,
I'm looking forward to the way we try and never quit. The way that all the pieces fit, the way we know the parts by heart and sing out loud.
Dili sa mag-live, ano na yung live na ni, yung magaling kumanta. No, I'm gonna charge Kiana's phone. Lakas maka mother. Pwede mo mag-charge ng anak ko eh. Yan, so, para hindi siya mamatay.
Two voices, one song.
I'll take a smile that you bring.
Wala na Wonderwall na kanta.
Wonderwall?
Wonderwall.
What's that?
Today's gotta be the day that I got to you.
Malalaki.
Ages. Rakraan sa umaga. Rakraan sa umaga. Ngayon, araw-araw. Luha na. Karaoke ba yun?
Sarah, did you know? What is that?
Akala ko ikaw ay
Wala ba?
Akala ko ikaw ay akin. Totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit ang ikaw ay yakapin. Naglalaho sa dilim. Malapit sa'yo. Inais ko malaman mo. Ang mga paghihirap ko'y baliwala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking minahal.
Alam mo yung mga tita na nagla-live, na nagkakaraoke, ito yon. Wala yung naging isang hangal, naghahangal
Ang isang tulad mo. Hindi ko na kailangan. Lumalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo. Ngayon ay naglago na. At ikaw, tingin mo na kung song.
Yeah, thank you, please.
Mag-present muna kami.
Is this handmade?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kuya John. Chef John.
Wala na ako
By scratch.
Headphones by ages. It's Sunday tonight.
Pinangamot. Pinangamot.
Made it from scratch. Mmm!
Saan ba? Ewan ka?
No?
Sabi ka rin?
Di mo tuturo.
Siya ay si Jesus. Ang ginabay. Nakakapalo. Ay, dahil sa hirap mo tinatalay, kung kailangan mo nakakamay, tumawag ka, siya'y naghihintay. Siya ang iyong kailangan, sandigan, kaibigan mo. Siya ang araw mong lagi, at karamay kong sawi. Siya ay si Jesus sa bawat sandali. Love you, Lord. Thank you for the blessings.
Thank you for the blessings. Tita banding daw. Falsetto sounds great, Key. Hello. Golden buzzer daw.
Takot at laging alala. Tanging kay Jesus magkakaasa. Kaligtasa'y lubos na ligaya. Siya ang dapat tanggapin at kilanin sa buhay mo. Siya noon, bukas, ngayon, sa dalangin ko'y tungol. Siya'y si Jesus sa habang panahon. Ngayon ang lagi mong pagkakadaan.
Pag-ibig na tunay.
Try siya sus sa bawat sandali.
Adele na.
Ay, for Adele na.
Ala, huwag na ba pero gigal na ko.
No, because the heater is on.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah.
The heater is heatering.
Oh.
So cold up in here, guys.
Yeah, it's so cold kahit walang ano.
Parang nag-aircon ang mga bahay.
So, dili na mo magkuhan. Dili na magtamala city. Mag-video ko na lang.
Yeah. Wala ka?
Wala ko friend.
Babe, do you have the USB-C to jack?
Chasing pigments.
Good.
Or to USB,
Kishi Nadal medley, okay. Got it.
what?
Made up my mind. Don't need to think it over. If I'm wrong, if I'm right. Don't need to look further. Ain't it love? I know this is love. Alright, play the game. Puro kang pala na yun I'll never say enough cause it was not sent to you. That's exactly what I need to do. And if I am enough with you,
Bye muna.
should I give up or should
I'm gonna take a
I
shit.
stick